In this training video, we will be going over preview. So what this button is for is on any of your forms, you can see them in the PDF format. See, this is the digital format. We want to see how it's going to look when you send it to, let's say, an insurance agent, or let's say if you want to email it and see how it's going to look in its proper PDF form. So to preview the form or forms, click on preview, and this window pops down, and we can select the forms that we want to see. Let's say call report, estimate. I'm going to deselect these. I don't need to see all these for demonstration purposes, but I will show you these two. Incidentally, this is the video icon. If you needed more training on this particular area and you needed to learn some additional learning, you would click on that. We have that throughout the whole program. So again, you select the forms that you want to preview in PDF. These two are selected. Click on preview. Right now, it's converting. It's already converted, so that was quick. All right, internet's great. And this is how it's going to look when you were emailing it to somebody, or printing for that matter. It looks different. This is all in proper legal format, and it looks good. So, and then you can see the forms are all running together. So you could see all of these if you wanted to, all the forms that were shown there that you could have selected. So that's how you do preview. That's how you would get out of it, close it, and now you're back to your call report form. You could do preview with any of these forms. You could select preview if you were in work authorization form. If you had your work authorization form up, then you can go to preview. It doesn't matter where you start from on this function. So that's how you preview your forms in PDF format. To your success, and thank you for watching.